back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. It was a very long week and a tiring week this week, so I couldn't upload any videos like I did last week. But like I promised, Fridays are my facial kit reviews, so I've come up with a new facial kit today. So this is the facial kit I'll be reviewing today. Nature's Essence Fruit Facial Kit. This is like I really like this brand. I used to like this brand because it has a glycolic facial, I guess, which I've done in a salon before. I've not used that after that. Like, it was really nice for my skin. It suited my skin and didn't break me or in any way. So I liked that glycolic from this brand. But after that, I never tried anything from this brand. This is the one thing I'm trying from this brand now. So this comes with a kit like this. So these mini tubes and this face wash, which I'll not be using because I have my other facial wash, which is like really good for my skin. I look really tired as well, so I have to do the video as promised, right? So I'm trying to fix the whole week of this in one video. Hope you like it. Please do subscribe to my channel in order to support me, because it encourages me a lot to make videos. So hope you like this video. Now let's move on to the video. This is the cleansing cream. It comes in a tube like this. All these are like, I guess for me it will come for 2 to 3 times of use. It's the cleansing cream. It doesn't smell anything of the almonds. It's just a regular cleansing, but it's very milky and thick. So now I'm gonna wipe it off with my cotton ball. That's what is instructed there. Okay, I picked my pimple again and this happened. Now the scar is gonna take forever to go for me. Now I've wiped off all the cleansing milk off my skin. The next step is this orange scrub. It's a scrub pack. They've asked to wet the skin and apply it. Scrub the face for 2 minutes and just leave it on the skin for 15 minutes, which is really long for a scrub to stay that long, and then wash it off. Yes, so okay, this smells really nice, like oranges and very citrusy. So I'm gonna apply. Really nice. I like the smell of this so much. So this is there on my face for 15 minutes now. I just took off all the the scrubbing particle on. Now I'll wash it off and be right back. Okay, now this has brightened up my skin like most of the scrubs do. It's really nice and moisturizing, and it made my skin soft as well. I could see that like I instantly got brightened up. So now let's move on to the next step. So the next step is the saffron massage cream. So this is how the cream looks. It has according to the instructions, they've asked us to massage for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that they've asked us to wipe off with a moist cloth, which I may or may not do, because if it gets absorbed, if the cream gets absorbed into the skin, then I wouldn't wipe it off. If it doesn't, then I will go ahead and wash it off, or maybe dab it with my dry towel. So let's see. This smells of saffron, like it says. It's really calming because of the saffron. Like I said, see, it already got absorbed because the consistency is like that. It's very creamy and yet it's somewhat like I knew it's gonna get absorbed into the skin. said, it's instantly got absorbed by the skin, and it's very nice, and you know, it feels really nice on the skin. Like you'll see, it instantly added the glow, and you know, it's very brightening. I really like the cream so far. I like everything so far, except for the cleansing cream. Cleansing milk, it was like very normal, like regular cleansing, what a cleansing milk would do. But scrub and the saffron cream was like absolutely my favorite till now. So the next step is an apple pack. So this is what the pack looks like. It says apply the pack on face and neck and clean after 15 minutes. So I'm gonna apply the pack on top of this moisturizer, like the massage cream which I've done. I really like the massage cream so far, so nice. The smell like really calms you down. It's very soothing, and after a very tiring day, this kind of saffron cream, like you can only use saffron cream to just calm down and cool down, and you can use it as a moisturizer as well before going to bed. So now this is what the apple pack looks like. It looks like a green apple pack. It smells like green apples. I'm just gonna directly apply it on my skin. This actually seals in the massage cream, which is really nice. One thing I really like about this thing is like it doesn't comes in the packets where you'll cut it, and you know, if you have to use it for 3 to 4 times. Tubes like these are really nice because you can close it up and you know, store it in a place where you can use it whenever you need them. So that's a really good plus for this product. So though it's tiny, you can even carry them in your travel bag. And one thing I really want, that's one of the things I really like about this whole kit, because so far I've done so many facials and almost all of them like had the packets where I have to cut them, and I don't use so much of product. Like I don't use the whole packet, and in fact, like to tell you the truth, so all those packets, like I put back into the same thing and I keep it aside, which is like, I don't know, they get dried up very soon, but these kind of things are really nice to have. That's how this pack is now. I've just finished applying. I really have a little bit of, you know, burning or stinging effect here, I guess, because of the scrubbing. But yeah, so far it's all really good. I don't find any effect right away now, but I was so much in love with the saffron cream, which was really nice. It just instantly got, maybe you can use it as like a daily moisturizer. There's another video coming up, like it is another haul video with few products, you know, I got it from Cult Beauty. Like I'm not gonna buy anymore because done for this year, the whole year, I mean, all together, because it's like an exam results. Like I was like so, you know, tensed whether I'll be charged for the customs or not. Like thank God I wasn't. So I got all these products in the MRP price, which is like a great deal for me because they've been sold here double the price. So it was really nice for me to have these products. Like I love them all. Very soon I'll do a, okay, if I want to have a sneak peek, like I can't wait to show you all. I've already swatched it. I'm really sorry, I couldn't hold my hands, I couldn't resist them, so I had to use them all. Like a teeny tiny bit of sneak peek. That was a quick one, but I can't wait to show you all that. I'm gonna do one very soon, like maybe even tomorrow. So now once this is done, I'll wash off and be right back. So that's how my face looks after the face pack, the apple pack. Now the last step is the coconut care cream. I've been liking the smell of coconut and anything coconutty in a lot lately. So this cream is the coconut cream, and they've asked us to apply the cream as a moisturizing cream and leave it on. So yes, it smells like a bit of coconut, nothing much. I'm taking this much, just rubbing it in between my palms and applying. Oh, it smells really like a Clinic Plus shampoo. Doesn't smell like coconut much. But one thing, if you'll notice, like I'm really in love with this brand's moisturizers. Like they really get sunk into the skin. Like they immediately vanish, and you know the skin eats them up. That's what I like about moisturizers. I really want them to be in a consistency where my skin will absorb them, and I want my skin to eat up my moisturizer whatever I feed my skin. So like I totally love this. Like it's so good. I love everything about this, the whole facial kit, but I'm not sure about the amount of chemicals in there because it gives an instant glow, like immediately, like quick one. So I'm not sure about the chemicals in there. But if you'd like to have, you know, freshen up a tired skin, like a quick instant thing, you can do it like with this one. This does a great job. I'm really happy about how it looks. I'll apply a little bit of my Laneige lip balm. And yeah, I'm done for the night. I will going to the bed. Like I've already mentioned in all my videos, I do my facials before going to bed so that I have an 8 hours of rest and without going in the sunlight. So hope you like this video. So please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and please do leave your comments in the comment section below. Meet you on another one. Bye guys.